In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all the lovely and dear students of prep class. This is your teacher Hina Khan and this is your math lesson time. Today the date is 20th of January 2021 and the day is Wednesday. So let's see which topic I have selected for today's lesson. As you can see on the screen, today we are going to learn about the time. Today I will tell you that what is o'clock and how we can watch the time. Okay, as you can see that there is a clock on your screen, and can you tell me what is this or what is the time right now? Let's learn about it. Every clock has two hands. Every clock has two hands. Bigger hand and the shorter hand. Bigger hand is used for minutes. The shorter hand is used for hour. So, o'clock means off the clock. O'clock means off the clock. I'm going to repeat my words that every clock has two hands, bigger hand and the shorter hand. Bigger hand is used for minutes and the shorter hand is used for hour. As you can see that the bigger hand is on 12 and the smaller or the shorter hand is on 3. So when the bigger hand is on 12 and the shorter hand is on number 3, the time will be 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. When a round of a clock is completed, it is called o'clock. When a round of a clock is completed, it is called o'clock. O'clock means when the bigger hand is on number 12. Here we can see the 3 clocks. Now guess the time and tell it to your mom. When the bigger hand is on 12 and the shorter hand or the smaller hand is on number 3, the time will be 3 o'clock. When the bigger hand is on number 12 and the shorter hand is on number 7, it is 7 o'clock. In the same way, when the bigger hand is on number 12 and the shorter hand is on number 9, the time will be 9 o'clock. Now guess the time and find where the bigger and the smaller hands are. So, once again, we have a clock here. The bigger hand is on number 12 and the smaller hand or the shorter hand is on number 8. The time is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. You can also see these clocks and guess the times, as you can see these clocks on the page of your SPMG. And here we are going to draw the hands, the bigger hand and the shorter hand. So, there's a clock and I'm going to tell you the time. So, it's 5 o'clock. If I say the time is 5 o'clock, how you will draw the hands? Correct. If the time is 5 o'clock, we will draw two hands, bigger hand and the shorter hand. The bigger hand will be on number 12 and the smaller hand will be on number 5. Now look at the clock, it is 1 o'clock. Why it's 1 o'clock? The answer is same. When the bigger hand is on number 12 and the smaller hand is on number 1, the time will be 1 o'clock. And at the end we have here your written task. So what are you going to do? You are supposed to do the page number 52 and 53 of your workbook. And then you will revise today's lesson with your mom at home also. I'll be here again with the new topic. Till then, take care of yourself and your family members as well. Allah Hafiz.